Those who will celebrate Yahushua, they give a loud shout to him. Who is the God that we celebrate? Who is him? What is his name? Yahushua with who? Who is Yahushua that we celebrate here? It's obvious that Yahushua we celebrate on this planet Earth, from the heaven of heaven to this planet Earth. It's Yahushua with the ambassador of Yahushua, ZHYAH, the real God. That the others get away from them. They are going to kill you. If the God that you have served during 2,000 years and you keep sinning, get away from them. Get away. Shake your leg to go to the ambassador of Yahushua, ZHYAH in Abuja pit. And we have chosen the best way to go with the ambassador of Yahushua, ZHYAH. Really, we have chosen the best way. We will go to Yahushua. We have been restored to the true one. Yahushua is the true one. That's right. It's not about customs of church that we do when on Sunday and we go to church. No, but it's really, we know the God we serve, beloved Father YAHVAH and Yahushua, with the ambassador of Yahushua, ZHYAH. We are washed away from our sins, and nothing is in vain in this church that we do. Even Yahushua said, your hair I have counted, so nothing is in vain what we do in here. From the smallest to the biggest, nothing is in vain when we are with the true God who takes people away from sins. And among the people outside of this kingdom in your city, think that it's only you who are chosen. In my area, because I am a teacher, and there were among these false teachers, and it's only me who is chosen among these 100 teachers. That is it. How Yahushua boast for you, make him and let him boast for you. Make Yahushua boast for you wherever you are. Always make Yahushua happy. You never do bad things, even in a hidden place that there is no one. We are the children of the Most High. And it's only the ambassador of Yahushua, ZHYAH, who has done that on this planet Earth. So, the ambassador of Yahushua, ZHYAH, can he do it? He has done it because he has saved our spirit and we are loved by Yahushua. That is it. Don't forget to say to Yahushua that we are loved by Yahushua. Because if Yahushua didn't love us, why did he shed his blood for us? He sacrificed his life for us. What kind of creation that he did that is for us, that he did it? Let's glorify Yahushua. So let's continue glorifying him because he is really, really, really wonderful. The goodness of Yahushua, we cannot count it. That let's ask Yahushua so that he will shower us the sweetness, endless beauty in him.
fameza amin'andra ho an'ny YAHVAH tsika navita sa tsy navita ny ambasadorany YAHOSHUAH aloha e navita sa tsy navita izy aloha miantsika voninahitra ana YAHOSHUAH ataovy mafy le fameza voninahitra ho an'ny YAHOSHUAH
YAHOSHUAH non te rende, te lo fermo, me lo mi zinzaka.
tsy mpanota ny soa mamy amin'azy any Yahoshua. Ataovy mafy fa mbola ambona kosa zany a. Zany olona tsy mpanoto zany ane mamy voninahitra any Yahoshua.
Make the voice of the people who never sin. With the ambassador of Yahushua, ZHYAH, Elia, they never sin. And it's only him who can do it. Really free. And we are saved. Really over the moon. How beautiful is that? Let's glorify Yahushua. He is really wonderful, and we never tire. We are never tired to glorify him. And that YAHVAH is really happy to see us glorifying him. Here we are free from the slavery of the devil. We become the children of the Most High, and that's why we are happy. We become the children of the Most High, and we stand firm till the end. We must be courageous and never be discouraged, that can ready to bear whatever will happen, because we are not in the flesh anymore. We are already in the spirit, and Yahushua is to save the spirit, not to save the flesh to return back to death. Because there are some impostors preaching Yahushua is not there, but it's Yahushua with the ambassador of Yahushua, ZHYAH, Elia. We are free and we are saved. So make the glorification for Yahushua out loud. Are you tired glorifying him? You should get happier, because we are really lucky and happy to be entered in this holy kingdom. Stand firm, really lucky. What makes us lucky? Because it's only the people who are washed away from their sins who can enter the heaven of heaven. That's why we're lucky. We will go to the heaven of heaven, into the arms of Yahushua. We cannot wait for that time. We will go into the arms of Yahushua. Doesn't it make you happy? And those who are happy, they glorify him. That we praise every day and exalt every day. When you will arrive, Yahushua, I am the first will go to you, Yahushua. That's what we should challenge here. Because people are really sad that they changed this true word. Fortunately, the ambassador of Yahushua, ZHYAH, Elia, is still here to correct the truth and to call people, let's come back to that YAHVAH and Yahushua. Here we are the first, the Malagasy people who are the first, who are cover. So will we keep as the first harvest, or we won't? In case there is a problem and you will scatter? Who will make Yahushua boasting? Until you die, you make Yahushua boasting. Yahushua will take us till the end, and we take Yahushua till the end. Because He loves us, and He always watching over us. And because of we will never give up, and the devils will be angry at all. Because we dare, just let it be. We will face it. We will bear whatever will happen. There is no soldiers of Yahushua, and they will give up. That as a soldier, they make Yahushua boasting till the end, even if we will die in our war. And Yahushua was really happy and boasting to see that this Spirit is going to me. That makes Yahushua boasting, because the devils, they're just using the flesh. That we are already saying that we are not in the flesh, that we are in the Spirit. And the ambassador of Yahushua said, go through the words, because your enemies are not humans, but they are the spirit in the air, and they are the enemies of YAHVAH, Yahushua, and YAH as well. And they are our enemies. And will we joke with our enemies? Will we be with our enemies? Enemies that deserve to be destroyed. And our holiness is our protection, said by YAH. It's our holiness that we bring to destroy our enemies. That is it, to keep the teaching and keep the holiness. He is always teaching, because He doesn't want even just one of us will be lost, because He didn't preach us kind of miracles or healing or blessing. That is it. The first is always the first. So what will you hold it as the first? So glorify Yahushua as we are the first harvest. That's right. We stand firm, not because of miracles, because the ambassador of Yahushua didn't preach about come here but you will be lost, or there will be some miracles. There is the words of the ambassador of Yahushua that we are saved. That is our score, and we keep that till the end. It's only us who have that, and keep that till the end, as we are the first harvest. That is it. Pastor said that as soldier we never move backwards, and we make Yahushua happy, the one who has chosen us to be soldier. We don't care about the civil's life anymore, because we have seen the accomplishment of the world, even danger, what will happen. Then what I have seen now, it's just an advertisement. Look what happened abroad. It's the word which are accomplished. Then will we hesitate? Will we stand firm till the end? We stand firm, and don't just speak, that act with it. Never be discouraged when you are with Yahushua. If there is a little problem and you will be discouraged, never be discouraged, because Yahushua is really powerful, and He is really full of love. He sacrificed His life for us. Even we are like grace and market and worm. It's not about that they stink his body and there was a blood dropping and there was safety. No, really from his childhood that he had suffered till he was dead. And when we respond that, that's what that YAHVAH said, that only the people who love Yahushua who can enter in the heaven of heaven. It's we. It's us. If you have written your name for the baptism, we are classified the same. That you are not just baptized yet, but we are the same. Stand firm. Be courageous. Our goal is to go to that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA, and that's not for a long time. YAHOSHUA has left his place. There was a declaration in here that YAHOSHUA is coming. He is coming. Are we happy? The one that we have waited for a long time is coming. YAHOSHUA is his name. Here we are, your younger brothers and sisters. YAHOSHUA, we are ready. And we continue our race, YAHOSHUA. We continue running. We never stop until we will meet YAHOSHUA. We never stop until we meet YAHOSHUA. We make sure that we will meet YAHOSHUA. Always think about that. YAHOSHUA, let me meet with you. Our YAHOSHUA he has ears that can hear us, and he has eyes that can see us. So that's why don't let him be sad. So let's continue the glorification.
Then I'm not getting feeling, fix it tonight and night.
Senti bene YAHOSHUAH che va a me, vonatra YAHOSHUAH. Asiunakunaka mamy aloha YAHOSHUAH fa hoavy izy e. Bola tsy ampy mihitsy aloha rehefa amezam-boninahitra ho any YAHOSHUAH mihitsy e. Iza le hoavy? Iza le hoavy? Miantsika voninahitra any YAHOSHUAH!
It's a made out of the money, no, no, it's all my
Oh, Tatil. Elia greets particularly beloved Father YAHVAH, and Elia as well greets my beloved YAHOSHUA and great guest. Tatil. Don't make many mediums. It's not the first times that you fix it. For the small lambs who deserve, YAHOSHUA bless all of you.